Junior intern from ZPHS Plus Angulkuturu took a part in join Vikasit Bharat Bulletin 2025, under which one of the theme I selected is Atmanirbharata, which is the core theme of self-reliance. It aims to foster a spirit of self-sufficiency, Atmanirbharata. It means standing on our own feet with our confidence, contributing to global growth from a position of strength. Our college college which is having vocational courses from Samagra Shiksha. Learn how to learn spinning, tailoring courses with this. We can stand our own after the courses are completed. I would like to share some of the items how to create our own crafts and share some ideas.
మన దయక్కను ఇంకొక తమ్ముడు ఉన్నాడు కదా, వాళ్ళు తీసుకొస్తారు, నువ్వు ముందు వచ్చేసేయి అంతగా అయితే అన్నాను. సరే ఇక్కడే కాబట్టి అంత హడావుడిగా పరిగెత్తాల్సిన అవసరం లేదులే మేము. అవునులే.